sitting on the table over there.
Somebody bought it.
Somebody bought it.
Waiting to wait.
You'll have to catch him, Dean. That goes any faster,
All right. All right, well, Tom has reworked this one to where the lanterns actually light up, and we've never seen that before. How'd you do it, Tom?
I used grain of wheat, little light bulbs in the bottom, drilled it up through just a little bit into the lantern, and there's 6 folders run in series, and they just hook up in the bottom, and
that's really neat, and it runs so fast too. I see you've got it all tuned up.
Yeah, I overhauled the little motor, and it worked really well.
Yeah, those lanterns. It was so fast. I hope I was able to get it on the video. As the lanterns light up. Wow, that's really fun.
Well, we can run it slower.